Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, virtualization enabled and drivers up to date. Once done, open Google Play Games and sign into your Google account so saves sync. Make sure you accept permissions and terms. That allows emulator services to install. Next, pick a lightweight test game to verify performance. This reduces troubleshooting later. While the app initializes, check System Resource Monitor so you can see CPU and RAM usage. That helps decide if you need. Once you've installed a game, open its settings in the emulator and set resolution and refresh rate to match your monitor. That prevents scaling lag. Then map controls. Use keyboard, mouse, or controller profiles and test bindings in a safe area of the game. Make sure to enable performance or power saving modes if available, because that balances CPU/GPU load. If input feels off, recalibrate dead zones and sensitivity. Then restart the game to apply changes. To finalize, run a 10-minute playtest while monitoring latency and frame stability so you know settings are tuned. If you encounter crashes, clear the game cache or reinstall the title, but back up your saves to cloud first. For persistent errors, capture emulator logs from the diagnostics panel and search error codes in community threads. If performance spikes, lower resolution or cap FPS. If controls fail, reassign keys and restart the emulator to force a clean input load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.